Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharp new M series standard laser projector. So friends, Sharp has announced new Sharp M series projector including XP-M421W-W and XP-M401H-W, and the new M series projector are the second Sharp branded projector developed by joint venture with NEC, and the Sharp M series projector provide customer with easy to use and lamp free compact laser projector requiring minimal maintenance, and the essential feature of the M series projector offer budget conscious projector replacement for classroom and meeting space and more. And friend, the new projector is entry solution designed to provide a reliable long-term operation at low cost of ownership, and the projector are equipped with reliable laser source, eliminating the need for requiring lamp replacement as well, and Texas Industrial DLP technology that is designed to be filter-free with no lamp and no filter, and the M series projector provided user with year of worry-free operations. And the design and sustainability in mind, the external power supply puts the M series projector among the smallest and lightest 4000 lumen laser projector available in the market, and the sustainable design reduce waste, promoted energy conservation, and improve logistic efficiency as the smaller package size take up take up less space in shipping containers, thereby increasing load capacity. And the projector are equipped with eco mode technology, increasing operation up to 20,000 hours while lowering power consumption. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.